Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Webull Cash account to a margin account. First, open the Webull app on your phone. At the bottom right corner, tap on the menu icon. Once you're in the menu, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll see several options listed. At the very top, under Account and Security, you'll find Manage Brokerage Account. Tap on it to open your brokerage settings. Scroll down to the bottom. You should see Margin Account with an Apply Now button. If you don't have a margin account yet, tap Apply Now. You'll be redirected to a page explaining what a margin account is and its features. At the bottom, tap Open Account. Follow the on-screen steps, provide the required information, and submit your application. Once approved, your account will be upgraded to a margin account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Webull Cash account to a margin account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.